The third play on 19 verso is basically the same idea, only I'm starting from a point down position. Okay, so the sword is in the scabbard and it's held point down. She comes to grab and I drop it over the top, like that. Draw the weapon, stick it in. Let's do that again. Yeah, so we're looking for the same end position. Okay, and from the other side.
Yep.
So from this position, I'm cutting down with the scabbard. If Jessica's left-handed, it still works. It's, again, a little awkward because you're basically taking, as a right-hander, you'd be carrying the sword in your left hand. If the dagger's coming from over there, you're cutting across the body like that. It works fine, but you've got to be careful not to get caught on that arm. Okay? If you are caught on that arm, if you put a bit of vigor to it, it's fine. Okay? So if you catch one elbow or the other, it should be all right. But again, Fiore is not discussing this directly. This is just me figuring out how it would work if they happen to have the weapon in the wrong hand, as does occasionally happen.